In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to emphasize a word in ElevenLabs fast and easy. Whether you're creating engaging audio content or just want to add a little flair to your text-to-speech projects, emphasizing words can make a huge difference in how your message is received. So let's dive right into it. To start off, the key to adding emphasis to any word within ElevenLabs is to use what's called an emphasis tag. This tag is simple but powerful. Imagine you're wrapping your word in special brackets that tell the system, "Hey, pay extra attention to this part." To do this, all you need to do is place the word you want to emphasize between the tags and, let's say you want to emphasize the word now in your script. You would write it out as now. It's a straightforward method, but the impact can be quite significant, as it adds a noticeable vocal emphasis to the word when it's read aloud. Once you've tagged the words you want, the next step is to paste your entire script into the designated text box in ElevenLabs. Make sure you've correctly wrapped all the words you want to highlight with the emphasis tags. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the emphasis to be recognized and processed by ElevenLabs. Double-check for any spelling or grammatical errors before proceeding, as these can sometimes affect the outcome. Also, ensuring that your emphasis tags are correctly placed will save you from potential frustration later. Now that your script is ready and pasted into the text box, it's time to generate the audio. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on the Generate button, you'll initiate the process that transforms your text into spoken word. ElevenLabs will cleverly interpret the emphasis tags, producing an audio output that highlights your selected words just the way you intended. After a brief moment, your personalized audio will be ready for you to listen to. Producing audio with emphasized words is now as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's these simple touches that can elevate your content from good to truly engaging. Don't shy away from experimenting with different words to see how varying levels of emphasis affect the feel of your script. Keep in mind, though, that too much emphasis can lose its impact, so use it sparingly to maintain its effectiveness. So there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily add emphasis to your words in ElevenLabs, making your text-to-speech projects more dynamic and engaging. Feel free to refer back to this guide anytime you need a refresher. Happy creating. And remember, the power of words can be highlighted just by adding a little emphasis.